Good morning, all. It's a morning vibes.
Say
Eid Mubarak to all.
Say Eid Mubarak. Wakrah Beach. You come with all your belongings and see the place. How pretty everything looks, silent and so pretty. See? Hi, good morning. Welcome to my YouTube channel. So, where are we, Sienna? Yes, we are in Wakrah Public Beach. So this is like close to our house only, and it's so pretty. You can have a look. Oh, we are here. Finally, we have made it. It's 6 o'clock in the morning. And so this is a Wakrah Beach. It's called Al Wakrah Beach, public beach, by the way. So you come, you set up your whole thing. You can, it's like a picnic day. So, you know, all families and children, they come here. And it's really beautiful. I will show you. Check this out. So these are these small huts which they have made. So you just come and take a spot, you know, and you organize your own tables and everything. You know, chairs and all. Some huts do already have seating arrangements. Some huts don't have it, so people arrange their own tents and all. Tiny for all this. So guys, you can see. So today is the first day of Eid celebrations. So walking, walking, walk. Yes, very good, Sienna. Remove shoes.
Come, come. Come, come, come. Come, come, come. Yes, yes, yes.
No, 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 not that. Turn, 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 turn. Yes. Slowly, slowly.
Come, come. Come, come, come.
Mikhail is enjoying it.
I enjoy yourself.
Of course, you're enjoying it also. For Mikhail, it's the first time he's on a beach.
I have to very much you. Peace, peace. I stand.
Come, come, catch me, catch me. Come, come, catch me, catch me,
I
catch me.
stand. Da, 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 da.
Come, come, Miku. Just no, no, no. Miku, ball, ball, ball. Miku, ball, Miku, Miku, Miku. Miku, ball. Ball, 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 Miku, ball. Ball. You got a ball. Oh, wow. Catch, 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 catch. Miku, ball, ball, ball. Miku, say.
Say good morning. Happy Wednesday.
Where?
Happy Wednesday. Happy Wednesday. We finally made it. Woke up in the morning. Thank you for watching us. Like, subscribe and share. And if you're in Doha, please do visit Wakrah Public Beach.